is going to be the baddest all-wheel drive car.
I love B-Series. That's why I'm here.
It's too much power for you.
I don't know if B-Series still had it like that.
What up, guys? Straight back from California. First day back. Jamie, what are we doing?
What are we doing today?
Getting the all-wheel drive car ready.
We're gonna see how much of a manual we're on.
So if you guys don't know, this is my OG B-Series car. It used to be front-wheel drive. My PB in this car was an 820 front-wheel drive, and then this year made the car all-wheel drive. Now I have two all-wheel drive cars. So I put only changes on here. Basically, the transmission, all-wheel drive, drivetrain, and Apex Turbo. I put an 8185 on here. Previously, I had an Apex 6470. We are trying to make a lot of boost, trying to make a lot of power today. I think we're gonna be limited to like 1300 horsepower just because it's gonna spin here, and we're on a cast block. Jay, what are cast blocks usually good for?
I mean, I've seen 1400, but
1400?
it just depends on boost. You know, it could hold a little bit more, but I haven't seen it.
Yeah, we're gonna find out.
We definitely find out today.
So, hoping everything goes smooth. I don't know yet if I'm going to FL2K, but that's supposed to be the plan. I'm just gonna take it one day at a time and just see. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. I still need to test this car at a track before I even think about going to FL2K, but I got a little bit of time. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I usually see the comments like, hey, your car's front wheel drive. You have a front wheel drive dyno. We usually unbolt the drive shafts. I don't have an all wheel drive dyno. So those of you guys that are watching, yes, I'm tuning the car front wheel drive, and then I'm gonna bolt the drive shaft back up when I go testing. So that's how we normally do it on any dyno, unless you have like a 4-wheel hub dyno or a 4-wheel drive dyno. I don't. So take off 4 bolts, tune the car front wheel drive, and then we're good to go.
What's that guy doing over there inside the shop?
Who, Barry?
He doesn't know what big horsepower is, bro.
Bro, Barry been...
Bro, what are you doing over there? That's too much power for you.
Barry-
You stand on this side. Why are you going in there, bro?
Yeah. Don't come over here. Don't come over. I love B-Series. That's why I'm here. Don't. Yeah, you're right. You used to be B-Series back in the day.
Yeah, well, but,
the kitty, bro?
Bro, but B-Series with like 300 horsepower. It's too much power for you, bro.
Bro, I come from, what was it, 170? He had 160 in his B16, bro. Tell the truth. That was back, what, 1999? Yeah, when you had your SI.
Look at that guy over there, too. He's over there reminiscing about his car.
Yo.
Yo, Kato. You wish you had a car like that, huh?
Yo, you parted his car out.
What you saying oh shit for? You scared of your car?
Yo, my boy, they missed you out there in California.
I heard.
They was out there asking for you and you.
I wish I made it.
Yeah, y'all both should have went.
Next year we're going out there.
California? He was scared. They probably busted your ass for sure. Because only if they would have went with 3 cars, only 2 cars can make it to the final.
If not, Big Bro had to fly back out there.
Nah, no lie. They was asking for both of you guys out there. It was dope.
Yeah, I heard.
Yo, Jamie, that sounded like it was all motor pull just now. You forgot how to tune B-Series?
Yeah, money. 5 pounds of boost.
5 pounds of boost. That sounded real light. I can't wait for the boost to kick in.
Got the standard spring in it. The Turbo Smart 8.
How much power do you think it's gonna make? 13?
I would say 12, 13. We got enough people here where we could probably make 13.
Yeah, I can't wait. I haven't seen 1300 horsepower on a dyno in a long time. 612 horsepower. I think that's pretty sure that's on wastegate. I'ma just
Going on, man.
people in the comments are gonna ask. Every time people see you, they ask, where's your car at and what's the update?
I don't know, man. I don't even know where my car is at.
What's the update?
What's the update?
Yeah, everyone just asks.
I don't even know how much info I can give, but the car, it's not a car. if that makes sense. It will be a car at some point. It's just Mike is super backed up. I think it's Mike. For people that don't know, he is a one-man team at his shop. He fabs up all the cars alone now, and it's just hard for the car. What we're trying to do with his car is going to take a little while. We were hoping that we would have had it out for this World Cup, but it's not going to look like
we should have started on it a year ago.
Honestly, we told Kachu that, but he didn't want us to touch the car until he came home.
That's true. He used to have one person with him. Yeah. So,
but it is what it is. You know?
The car's in the door, so you're almost there.
I think the more time goes by, that you're losing your touch. You don't know how to drive no more.
Yeah, I don't. To be honest, I don't know if you still got
We
it.
should start you back up in the street car again.
You need like a 1050 index car. You know what I'm saying?
I'll win all those shit.
You could jump in his car. His car is real slow. You know what I'm saying? You could start
I
off.
could definitely go 750, 760 in his car.
So you might pee a little bit.
He said he might be.
You could drive your car, and I'll drive your car. I'll do a better pass.
Let's do it.
I know I will.
So the goal is next year World Cup.
Before that.
It's
All right,
okay.
all
One
right.
thing, it is what it is. We're gonna build him a badass car.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
There's no rushing it. So when it comes out, it comes out. Racing.
we got plenty of drive cars around here that we could do damage with.
And plus, the season's already over. What do you got? At the end of the month, World Cup, and that's it. And then we're done.
Yeah.
So
Next year for sure.
When the car come out, it'll be nice.
Yeah.
this is gonna be the baddest all-wheel drive car. You mark my words, the baddest. You guys have never seen nothing like this. I promise.
So just stay tuned. You know, perfection takes time. Frank, we both gonna bust that ass. You know what I'm saying? Together. I'm gonna wait till next year when he comes out. When he comes out, we can both do it together.
Love it.
All right, we're about to make our third pass. We got 4 guys standing on the car. Yeah, I think we'll get started up maybe 30 pounds of food, 35 pounds. About that B-Series. What happened to your eyes? You crying?
I want to go to the eye doctor.
You crying?
Frank was telling me a story. It kind of pulled on my heartstrings a little bit, you know. So
Yo, you crying? It's crazy. You've been out the game, bro.
I don't know if B-Series still had it like that.
Yeah, that B-Series.
B-Series car still got it.
That B-Series got that pow.
Bro, I started believing it. I stopped believing it.
798. Jamie, you actually know what you're doing. 798.
I still remember.
That was clean.
Like 26 pounds.
26 pounds? That wasn't bad. I thought you were going for 30.
We're gonna see right now.
Hopefully this thing hook up.
With the weight it'll hook up, I think.
That sounded good.
About to make some jams next hit, say that.
All right, that was almost 800 horsepower, 26 pounds. Turn it up now, hopefully make more power. Yeah, what do you think we about to make? 1070 next hit?
Gotta stay back.
Yo, what happened? Yo, what happened to your eyes? You look better. Frank does not look good. Yo, it looks like somebody punched you in your eyes. Yo, Cacho, it made exact horsepower what you just said.
No way. No way.
Yo, he just guessed 1,070.
I just want to say something. You guys are all pussies. Jamie didn't even come outside the car one time yet.
I just said that.
Oh, we need to see that.
No way.
Ain't no way. Yo, Cacho, 1070 on the dot. You still got it. You still got it. You still got it. All right, while we're waiting for the car to cool down, I gotta show you guys my buddy Miz's car. He just finished it. This is the same color as the Road Trek, our green EG, but he has a full all-motor track build. This is Miz. I'm gonna drop his YouTube channel in the description. That way, he's gonna drop a dyno video, so I'm not gonna record this car. You guys can watch the dyno footage on his channel. What is this?
Yeah, so this is my first all-motor pro car. This is my first race car I've ever built in terms of a Honda.
So I just want to show you guys the level, since he hangs out with us, right? I just need to show you guys how clean his car is. Like, this car is, let me turn the light on. This thing is mint. Like, this is, for your first race car, amazing. Like,
Thank you.
Probably the greatest job I've ever seen on a first race car ever.
Thank you. So yeah, it's an all-motor pro car. It's a 102 millimeter crank, or 102 millimeter motor. Standard build as all of us, you know. But obviously, like, super attention to detail, super attention to weight. My goal was to make it light, clean, and functional.
Clean for sure.
Thank you. The color, obviously, you guys gave me the inspiration. It's beautiful, it pops.
So you guys don't know, this is signal green, same thing from a Porsche, BMW. Carbon doors, carbon front, fiberglass nose, and then carbon rear hatch, and then carbon spoiler. Okay, so let me just pop the hood real quick. This thing is so sick. For a first build, bro, it's insane.
We have a different valve cover. This is just temporary, but yeah.
So basically, he's gonna race in the all-motor pro class with us. I cannot wait. The goal is to try to get this car out, I guess, like this weekend, and then try to run a number.
It's a lot to do. First time driving an all-motor pro car, so a lot of learning curve, but I think I can do it. I got the good team behind me. Everyone, you know, supports me, tells me what to do, guides me, so.
What are you hoping to make for horsepower today?
I'm good with 430, 435.
Yeah, at 102, I think that should be easy.
No vacuum pump right now, so just simple setup, but it'll work. I think.
Enough to get you down the track and
for sure.
seat time.
For sure, yeah.
So make sure to check out his channel. He's gonna drop the video. I can't wait for it. Hopefully everything goes smooth, and then we can hit the track this weekend. I'm hoping I probably might go to the track with him, but it's my birthday weekend. I don't know if I want to spend my birthday at the track. If something breaks on my car, that's gonna be a shitty birthday. May or may not be the final pull. I don't know.
1205.
1205. Oh, 1250 is crazy. Jamie, you are a savage. Savage just now.
There's more. We don't save it for the shot.
Alright, I like that. I'm good ending there at 1250. Jamie, what's the plan all motor?
Oh, motor?
Yeah. What's the next outing for you? World Cup?
I mean, we're definitely gonna go test. Because 9.3 is cool, but 9.0 is cooler.
I like that.
So we gotta go do that.
Shout out Jamie, 1251. And again, if you guys need any tuning, my boy will remote tune you guys no matter where you at. He tunes in his sleep, he tunes on the airplane. Just make sure you hit up his Instagram, I'll drop it below. Thank you.
If I don't answer, please be patient.
Again, I need you to repeat that one more.
I got you messaging me, I got your baby mom messaging me. You gotta be patient. One man, please.
So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Hopefully it's at the track.